Girl, let's talk about something for real. A lot of people think their hair is damaged beyond repair, when honestly, half the time your hair is just exhausted. Dry, stressed, overloaded with products, heat, tension, and neglect. Some stylists are not telling you this because if you knew how simple some of these fixes were, you would stop depending on expensive salon treatments every 2 weeks. So today, I'm giving you the secret that can instantly make damaged hair look healthier, feel softer, and stop snapping off so much. And no, it's not another DIY avocado bowl from TikTok. The real secret is this: your hair needs balance more than it needs products. A lot of people keep throwing random oils, masks, leave-ins, and protein treatments onto damaged hair without understanding what their hair is actually missing. That creates what I call confused hair. 1 week, your hair feels hard and brittle. The next week, it feels mushy and weak. Then suddenly, your curls won't pop, your ends look thin, and your hair starts breaking for no reason. Your hair is overstimulated. So here's the 2-minute fix. The next time your hair feels dry, rough, tangled, or lifeless, stop layering 20 products on it. Instead, lightly mist your hair with warm water first. Not soaking wet, just lightly damp. Then apply 1 lightweight moisturizing product with slip. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends, then smooth the hair downward with your hands for about 30 seconds. Do you know why this works? Because water is what actually hydrates the hair, not oil. A lot of people are literally sealing dryness into their hair with thick oils and butters, then wondering why their hair still feels crunchy. That's why some people's hair grows but never retains length. Now here's another secret stylists rarely talk about. Your hair absorbs products differently depending on buildup. If your hair suddenly stops responding to your products, your hair might not be high porosity. You may just have layers of residue sitting on the strand, blocking moisture from getting in. This is why occasional deep cleansing matters. I'm not talking about stripping your hair every week. I'm talking about using a proper cleansing shampoo every few weeks so your hair can breathe again. Some of y'all are layering gels, edge control, mousse, leave-ins, oils, and dry shampoo for weeks straight, expecting your scalp to act normal. Meanwhile, your follicles are screaming for oxygen. Another thing nobody talks about is fabric damage. I'm talking about rough hoodie material, wool scarves, and coat collars constantly rubbing against the ends of your hair. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair, so repeated friction slowly causes splitting and thinning. Now let's talk about heat. Sometimes it's not the flat iron ruining your hair. It's the repeated reheating. People run over the same section 10 times trying to chase bone-straight perfection, while the hair strand weakens every pass. And please stop ignoring scalp tension. If your scalp hurts after a hairstyle, that style is too tight. Period. A sore scalp is inflammation, and inflammation over time can affect hair growth around your edges and crown. Here's the biggest secret of all. Healthy hair is usually boring. The people with waist-length hair are often doing less, not more. Less manipulation, less experimenting, less panic, less product overload. Consistency beats obsession every single time. Some people are damaging their hair trying to fix it every day. Your hair does not need constant interference. Sometimes it just needs moisture balance, scalp care, protection, and patience. That's the real secret. Not magic oil, not overnight growth spray, not a miracle TikTok recipe. Healthy hair starts when you stop fighting your hair and start understanding it. So if you've been frustrated with your hair lately, don't panic. Your hair may not be ruined. It may just need a reset. I hope these tips help you and you can use them on your hair care journey. If you enjoy videos like this, I know you'll enjoy the 2 videos I have coming up for you right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in class next Wednesday.
Class dismissed.